Oh, what do we have here? Today we have Lululemon Shoplifter gets caught in the act. All for some Lululemon. Thank you guys for tuning in. And without further ado, let's get it.
Waukegan, Illinois, at a Lululemon store.
Waukegan, that's Chicago. That's right by the Navy base. You know what I'm saying? Great Lakes, Illinois is where you go for Navy boot camp. Okay.
County office.
Waukegan got some really good food out there. The first time, because I tried to go to the Navy, right? I graduated boot camp, rolled my ankle and shit, right? So, you know, when we graduated and shit, you know, you get the weekend with your parents before you get shipped off to A school. I got a chance to graduate boot camp, but it was like come back in 6 months and whoop de whoop. I was like, y'all, I'm not doing that. I'm out. You get what I'm saying? But Waukegan had some of the best deep dish pizza that I ever had in my life. And they had this mom and pop store that was like literally right down the street from the Navy base where they do the Navy boot camp. It was a mom and pop spot. Oh my God, the best burger I ever had in my life. It was so juicy and moist. But I'll give you a little background on Waukegan. Waukegan, what is Waukegan like? The north side of Chicago, right? Suburb of North Chicago. It go down out there. You know what I'm saying? They don't fuck around.
Officers are dispatched for a possible shoplifting suspect. Little did they know, their investigation would just get weirder and weirder.
Did you tell me your name, man?
Hold on, did she just get her body done? That's what they got to put on when they get their body done, right?
S-H-E-K-Y-A. What's the problem?
All right, I got to see your driver's license.
Oh yeah, she just got that thing done. Pants falling off. Not in the mirror though. Luxury clothes, yeah. She got a luxury ass too, yeah. Luxury waist.
Don't close the door.
Lil' mama got luxury taste.
Close the door.
Okay.
You hit me. That's battery of peace, officer. Step out.
I'm not.
Okay.
Oh.
Just grab your purse.
She was trying to slam that door, but I don't know why would you even try to slam the door. They got the cops right in front of your shit.
Step out of the vehicle.
How the they get your car? We do not know, but we gonna figure it out.
Step out of the vehicle, ma'am. I'm not going to ask you again.
Okay.
Step out.
Okay.
Ooh,
Step
shit.
out of the car.
Oh shit. Okay.
Actually, can you check? Can I check it now?
Give me the car keys.
Huh?
You're going to give me the car keys. You're not getting back in the vehicle.
Okay, can you check it?
Man, she can't go nowhere. Oh, okay, never mind. She got them nervous. All that fidgety moving.
There's clothes in here with tags on it.
Huh? There you go.
Can you tell me your full name?
Shakira.
Give me 1
Oh,
second.
God.
Okay, that's fine.
Not gonna lie, she over here looking like a snack.
I might be telling the truth. It's okay. Listen, ma'am. I just need you to relax.
I'm
Okay?
just putting on my pants.
I
I want y'all to
understand.
know that.
Listen.
Just got her body done. She just trying to do a little scam and she ain't think nothing was gonna happen from this.
I'm just gonna run this, okay? We've gotten a lot of complaints from this store about thefts, okay? The vehicle matches the description of the vehicle that's been constantly robbing this.
Not you ain't get a different vehicle. At least pull up in an Uber or something, or get one of your friends. You been using your car this whole time. You want to get caught.
Place, okay?
And then she got that stupid look on her face.
Yes, ma'am. Listen. There's a couple things we have to
You know you been robbing.
verify.
So you got your car to somebody that would. Don't make that face like you ain't know what was going on. You knew what the fuck was going on.
You understand?
That's
All right. All right. So I just need you to take a deep breath. Calm down. Let me run this.
She can't take too deep of a breath. That shit already squeezing her shit together. She gonna breathe too hard. She gonna fart.
Verify that's you, and then we'll kind of go from there. Okay?
I'm
Yeah.
going back and pay for my stuff.
Just wait 1 second. Look, ma'am. If nothing comes out of this, you're free to go on your way. All right, I just need you to calm down, okay? All right? Where are you parked in a handicap spot?
I don't know. I just parked.
What?
She just parked, baby.
I just parked.
That's a
I
ticket.
didn't even think.
You didn't think?
No.
You got any other kind of identification on you by chance?
No.
No, this was it? Because you
You about to go to jail if they can't identify you. Come on now. You should know better than that.
understand this is an identification card, right? Saying a driver's license.
It's identification card. Am I able to open the door?
10, so give us 20.
Am I able
Never trust people with a little gap in their mouth. I'm playing. I'm just playing, y'all.
so I can get my other ID?
Ma'am, we have to kind of ask you these questions first, okay? Because there's a lot of implications to what can and cannot happen. You know what I mean?
Okay.
That's why we have to run our course and why we approach you in the manner that we did. Okay.
Okay.
All right. This is an identification card. This isn't a driver's license. You're aware of that, right?
Yeah.
That sheriff over there looks like that guy that be with fucking Will Ferrell in some of those movies. What is his name? Y'all know who I'm talking about too, right? He's a slick talker. I cannot think of his name. Somebody in the chat is gonna know who I'm talking about though. Y'all know that actor, right? He's a little older. Well, he's a lot older, probably in his 50s and 60s now, right? That type of haircut. Y'all know who I'm talking about.
It's an ID card, not a driver's license. And you drove here.
Why she poke her head like that?
Yes.
Okay, you see, you understand how none of this is making sense to us? You don't have a driver's license. You drove here. You parked in the handicap spot.
I apologize.
I mean, it's not something to apologize. We're just trying to understand the train of thought. You understand what I'm saying?
I was just trying to go in and out. And
Yeah, she was trying to get in and out. She wasn't trying to get caught.
I'm letting you know right now, at the moment you're detained, okay? You're not free to go. Right? I need you to understand that.
Okay.
Okay? Because if you had decided to start the vehicle and drive off...
Why would I drive off if y'all right here? I wasn't going to drive
Because you were
off.
trying to get into the vehicle, you know what I mean?
You asked me to get my ID.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. But you don't have to sit inside the vehicle for that. You
Right.
know what I mean?
I wasn't going
It's
to
okay.
drive
Just give us.
I mean, shit, I sit in the vehicle when I'm getting my shit. When y'all trying to give me a ticket, I don't understand that. I don't understand that at all. Because being in the car, you had the cop right there. She couldn't turn nowhere, could she?
Just a second, all right?
Am I tripping or am I tripping? Maybe I'm tripping. I don't know.
What am I being detained for?
Because we have an
Stealer?
ongoing active investigation regarding the Lululemon, this vehicle. That
This sounds so petty. Lululemon. We over here stealing for Lululemon is crazy.
description.
Is Lululemon that expensive?
But is it the exact same, like,
It's the vehicle.
it's the vehicle?
It's the vehicle in question.
Okay.
Okay, but this not my vehicle. This my...
I understand that.
Can y'all grab my phone for me so I could call somebody then?
Just give us a second.
Okay.
Hold on, you driving somebody else's car? That's even worse because they trying to find a person that they got the person. It's not even. Damn, that just took a turn fast.
Come on, sit down.
You can have a seat on the curb if you would like. Yeah.
Wait, so wait, you can't sit down then, right?
Huh?
So you had that procedure done? Can you sit down?
Yeah, I could sit down, but like on like some soft.
There's something
I got some.
that we're attached. Did they come back to anything else? We're still checking. Definitely.
Mike, are you going to be good out here? Can I go back in the store?
Yeah, okay.
Let me just go inside real quick.
The officer now goes inside the Lululemon and is able to get a picture of the shoplifter from employees. He then returns outside to the suspect to use the picture to ID her.
All right, ma'am.
What you got?
So,
They tell me I'm being detained.
Yeah, that's her.
yo, yeah, that's definitely her. We got her.
Oh shit!
I'm not going nowhere. I promise you.
Yeah, it's a positive idea.
What if she would have been taking off her bag and get everything off her so she could take off running? Because the officer already jumpy.
Ma'am, I need you to step over here, please. I need you to
I'm
step
gonna
over
call
here.
rescue. I'm gonna call rescue for you.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me just put this in here, please.
Damn.
I'm sorry.
You're fine.
I'm saying to him, he's looking like
Oh.
You're detained at this moment. I want you to understand that.
you already told me that. I was fully aware of that.
Well, like handcuffed detained.
Oh,
What is she doing?
okay. Okay.
All right, go ahead and stand up.
Stand up.
Okay,
I'm not going to ask again.
Yeah, come on.
Why you
Stand
being-
up.
Wait, I'm gonna call rescue. They're gonna figure that out. We're gonna work with you on that. Why don't you stand up? Stand up. And
Stand
I'll
up,
get rescue.
ma'am.
Over.
I'm not going to ask again.
What's
Turn
wrong?
around.
Okay.
Okay, can I put this back?
Face him. Face him.
Okay.
Turn around right now.
Face me.
I'm facing you.
Hold on. She ain't got no. Nah. What was she doing?
A little bit so I can shut the door.
Hey, dude, super aggressive. Why he so aggressive with the woman? I'm trying to understand what's she doing to make him act like that.
No, you're not doing this. You're not doing this. Mike, grab her. No.
Come on.
We gotta pull her.
What the fuck?
Oh my God.
Oh, what is he talking about? We not doing this. Is she having a medical emergency and you talk about we ain't doing this? Did she just had a procedure.
Some unknown medical reason.
What the fuck?
Hey, you cannot do
Listen,
that.
hey,
Get up.
you've been cool with me, right?
Yes.
Then continue that. Turn
Okay,
over.
okay.
Turn over.
I'm finna get up.
Turn over.
Can you help me up?
Turn over.
Yeah, I thought she was having a medical emergency. She snapped out that motherfucker real fast. Say, hey, you can't be doing that. I just bought this ass.
Listen, I'm telling you, it's gonna hurt a lot more if you turn over. It's gonna be a lot easier for you if you just sit up. I'll have you sit down here, but you are detained, okay?
Okay, but
Hey, you've been cool with me, right?
Listen, can I pull this up? Listen, listen. You can look
You'll
right.
pull that up?
Yes, I'm just.
We're
not trying to look it up.
Just pull that up.
I'm talking about this.
Pull this up.
Listen, okay.
Pull that up.
You see?
Okay, pull this back
Okay.
up. Pull that back up. You've been cool with me, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It's
Oh God, this is a lot.
no,
All for some Lululemon, baby. I would stay the fuck out of Lululemon. It ain't worth it.
and he acting crazy.
Just continue that. Pull your pants up.
He
Pull
has
your
been
pants
mean
up.
though.
My pants.
Yes. Pull it
Okay.
up. You're not making it easy for yourself. You're really not. You're really not.
We know who you are, ma'am.
So, turn
What are you talking about?
Why is her
Come here.
pants
We
down?
have multiple.
Are you
retail
able to
thefts
sit
that
up?
you've
You able to
committed.
sit up?
Yes.
Stay there.
Can I sit up?
Stay there.
Can I sit up for a second?
Why she can't stand up?
Your back. I'm not gonna ask you that. You've been cool with me, right?
Yes.
Then continue that.
I know
Stay
her
that
booty
way,
cheeks
right?
on fire.
Can I pull my pants up?
I told you to pull it off
Okay.
before.
What are you doing?
Hey,
Give me your hand.
Don't a woman
Listen,
supposed to be doing this?
No,
Listen,
that's not how this works.
Nope.
Yes, but I don't.
Do not
Can you-
resist
Can you
arrest.
put the cuffs on me? Cause
I'm trying to.
please,
I'm trying
can
to.
you come and put the cuffs on me?
He's not going to do that.
Hey,
That's not how this
I'm
works.
trying to. You're not letting me give you your hand.
He been more nicer than she is. He is. I don't know what Buddy is with the body cameras on. Like he been super aggressive. I would be nervous as hell too if I was her. I ain't gonna lie to you.
You're not letting me get your hand. So
Can you please put
let
the
this
cuffs on
let this
me?
go. I'm trying to. But
I'm
right
talking
here.
about you.
I know. That's why I'm grabbing your hand.
Okay, huh? Here you go.
So let's go. Don't.
Oh, what?
Let
Wait, how you doing it?
I'm trying to
we're
do
not
that.
doing this.
I'm not
We're not
trying to
doing
do
this.
that.
I'm asking you. Hey, ow! You hurting me.
No one's hurting
No
you.
one's-
okay?
come on.
You are.
You're
Give us the
making
other-
this
give us
harder
the
on
You
other
your
are. You are.
Call another one. Call another unit.
72. If we can get another unit here, please.
Let go of your hand. I'm trying to cuff you like you said, right? You want me to cuff you, right?
Yes, I don't want him touching me. I'm
Grab that
bleeding.
hand, man. Just grab that hand.
I'm bleeding.
We're not going to be. We have to move her out of this crevice.
I'm bleeding.
It's not
go.
gonna.
Okay,
Let's go
can
by
I
you.
get
Let's
up?
Get up.
Okay, listen, I'm finna get up. You ain't gotta pull
I'm
me.
helping you, I'm
okay,
helping you, I'm
listen,
helping
can I grab onto your
Grab
vest?
onto me. It's fine.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Now turn over.
Now,
Face the vehicle.
Turn over.
Face the vehicle.
there you go.
That's a lot. That. I ain't gonna lie. She would have made me nervous. I'm glad he got his body cam on, but he is being mad aggressive, y'all. Can we admit that the one time the cop is like he been like, like damn, bro. Y'all already got her. She ain't going nowhere.
Messed up.
What am I being?
She can't run. She just got her body done. Bars. I need to be a rapper because that I'd have turned into a YouTube yapper.
Retail.
Lord.
I told you that already.
What the?
I gotta
Can somebody please put his lady pants up? We don't want to see that.
undo this, okay? So it doesn't hurt you, okay?
Well, you the one that put it on me like that. You acting like a idiot.
Stop.
Don't be
Like what the
moving.
fuck?
If you don't be quiet, they're going to make it hard.
Okay. Wait.
I'm sorry. I hate my mind. I am so mad. It's talking about you're gonna make this hard. It probably already is.
Fix it.
Stop.
I got one. It's bleeding. What the fuck? You want me to do?
Resisting.
Stop.
Do not.
Oh damn.
Hey, you don't need your hand down there. Let me just put your pants on.
Thank you, man.
Just listen to the men.
Don't move because it's gonna lock and it's gonna be tightened. Okay? Don't move.
Don't move, otherwise it's gonna hurt.
It's gonna tighten.
Do not move. We're gonna have to take her back to the squad car.
We're gonna go this way.
Dang.
We're gonna go over here.
I'm trying
Get her in
to.
there.
I'm trying to help you. Wait.
They not gonna let her keep that on in prison, is they? I never been to prison, so somebody tell me. I want to know, like Joe.
I gotta sit on some soft.
No, you're
No, we're
sitting
not
there.
doing that.
We're not doing
We're not
that.
doing that. Lay down.
You supposed to you should have started stealing after the body was healed.
I can't. Why you being so? Why you acting like that? I didn't do shit to you.
Hey,
You don't even know me.
Hey, yeah, I don't have to know you.
Okay, don't
Get in
act
the
like that
vehicle.
to me.
Hey, if you gotta
I
lay
didn't
down.
do shit to you.
Hey.
I can't sit on my butt.
I'm saying you drove here, you sat down.
Yes, now.
Yeah.
I own nothing hard. It's hard as hell. That's soft.
We don't got anything soft like that.
I've been corrupted.
Man, you should have thought about that before you went to steal.
This suspect, whose real name is Khadijah Terry, has an extensive criminal history involving multiple retail thefts and fraud cases.
But she's just a petty thief. That's all. That's nothing crazy.
In 2015, when she was 21
shit.
years old,
21 looking 31.
Khadijah attempted to use fraudulent gift cards at a Walgreens in Indiana. When police were
She a scammer. Come on, bro. What the
called
fuck?
to the Walgreens, they found 32 MasterCard and Visa gift cards in her purse. Before being brought in for questioning, Khadijah told police she was pregnant and experiencing pain, so she needed to go to the hospital. However, on the way to the hospital, she jumped out of the ambulance. When medics and police restrained her, she allegedly struck an officer in the process. She later was determined to not be pregnant and was charged with felony fraud, felony battery, felony identity deception, and resisting. She
That's
took a plea deal,
cold.
pleading guilty to fraud while all other charges were dismissed, and was sentenced to 270 days in jail. Then in 2017, Khadijah allegedly attempted to shoplift $1,140
So she a career criminal.
worth of merchandise at a Dick's Sporting Goods in Indiana. When police arrived,
A booster.
she reportedly fled in a stolen vehicle.
I miss my booster. I used to have this live ass booster. I'm talking about every week they got something cold for me. I'm like, damn.
And then allegedly tried to run
They just started locking up all the good boosters.
over police officers and rammed a squad. She was then charged with 2 counts of felony attempted murder, 3 counts of resisting law enforcement, felony attempted theft, and 2 counts of felony attempted battery with a deadly weapon. She took a plea deal, pleading guilty to 1 count of resisting,
Got a long ass criminal rap sheet. Shit.
and both counts of attempted battery with a deadly weapon, while all other charges were dismissed. She was then sentenced to 7 years in prison. Exactly 7 years later, in July 2024, when she was released, the incident in this body cam footage took place in Illinois. For this incident, she was charged with 2 counts of resisting a peace officer, attempted retail theft, unlawful use of identification, obstruction of identification, unauthorized use of handicap parking, and operating a motor vehicle with no valid driver's license for over 6 months.
See, that's why when I park in handicap parking, I always make sure somebody is in the car so they could just move it.
In just 4 months
I don't know if you're supposed to be doing that, but I do it. Not all the time, but if I'm trying to get in and out somewhere, yeah.
after this incident in November 2024, Khadijah was allegedly involved in yet another retail theft incident at a mall in Illinois. She reportedly fled from police in an Audi Q5 when they attempted to perform a traffic stop, and then crashed into a Lexus SUV. Officers then removed her from the Audi, and after being transported to a nearby hospital, she allegedly caused approximately $7,000 worth of damage to a
Shit, Khadijah, you gotta chill, little baby.
hospital bed. A short clip from this incident details her attitude when police attempt to get her out of the vehicle.
That myself. That myself. I'm by myself. What am I under arrest for?
You just fled from me, okay? You're under arrest. You backed into my car, and then you fled, and then you caused...
What the fuck? She got the hold on. The airbags deployed, little baby. You was out there like that, going crazy. Damn.
You ready? Ready?
Ooh.
So dumb.
She was subsequently charged with 2 counts of felony aggravated fleeing and eluding, felony criminal damage to property, resisting, driving with a suspended license, improper turn, and failure to signal in a motor vehicle. She took a plea deal, pleading guilty to 1 count of aggravated fleeing and eluding, while all other charges were dismissed. She was sentenced
That was smart.
to 30 months in prison.
Damn, she still got 30 months?
You notice the way she just casually strolls past those officers as soon as they make contact? That's not confusion, that's experience. That's someone hoping confidence buys time, because a quick, quiet getaway is often plan A. Then
That is crazy, though. That is so
investigation
crazy.
starts, and one officer positions near the front of her car. And I'll be honest, I never liked that spot, because some people will drive straight through you to escape, and that vest will not protect you. Now,
Nah, facts. But I didn't see if she had, like, it didn't look in that position. It didn't look like she had a chance to get away because he was parked literally right in front of her. Maybe I'm wrong. Who knows?
watch the moment she's told she's detained. She goes back to her car and starts changing clothes. But she's also reaching inside that car, and this is where a stop turns tense real fast. Because we don't know if it's a hoodie or a weapon. Even retired, my pulse jumps watching it, because cops don't just rewatch scenes like this. We relive them and remember what they feel like.
Yeah, and that's not a good feeling at all.
Instead of running, the strategy changes. You start seeing hesitation, confusion, and sudden medical issues right when the cuffs appear.
I thought she was having a seizure, but as soon as they started dragging her, she was like, "You can't mess up this ass. I just bought this ass."
That's not really about passing out. It's a last-second attempt to regain control of a situation that just got real. Because for some people, the theft wasn't the stressful part. Being held accountable.
Man, that was crazy though. But thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. And that's it, baby. We out.